In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a debit or a credit card to your Apple Pay account on an iPhone. To get started, open the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down and find and choose Wallet and Apple Pay. Real quick, you'll hear the terms Apple Pay and Apple Cash used back and forth. Apple Pay is the actual system that's built into your iPhone that makes digital payments possible. Apple Cash, on the other hand, is like a prepaid debit card that lives inside of your wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive money. So that's why you'll see the terms pay and cash used, so hopefully that makes sense. At the top, make sure that Apple Cash is enabled. If you already have a cash balance, then this is probably already going to be on. Inside of here underneath of that, you'll see all the cards that have been added in the past if you have any. And now that we're in here, we can go ahead and add a card. To do this, just tap Add Card, and then on the next screen, Debit or Credit Card. There are a couple other choices inside of here if you'd like to use them though, like if you have a bank app installed on your iPhone, or if you have an Apple account, but the debit or credit card is going to be the most common way that you're going to use. On the next screen, hit Continue, and then use your iPhone's camera to scan your physical card, or you can tap Enter Card Details manually at the bottom if you want to do it that way. Confirm all your details and then follow through any of the steps that your bank account asks as you connect. Once you're finished, you'll see your new card has been added inside of the list back here at the main wallet menu. You can then use that card to fund your Apple Cash balance or to pay with things using Apple Pay. There is one other spot that you can get to when adding a card, and that's through the Wallet app. To do this, find and open the Wallet app. Once you're inside of here, just tap the plus sign on the top right, and then the same as before, choose debit or credit card, and go through the steps to add your card. And when you're finished, you'll see your new card has been added to the wallet list here. And that's how you add a debit or a credit card to your Apple Pay account on an iPhone.